Hey, how you doing? Austin here. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. I want to talk to you in this video about XRP. XRP is a crypto that I have liked for a long time. I've covered on my channel. I'm going to start covering it even more. I think that this is a crypto that is poised to do some pretty amazing things in the very near future. And so I want to start talking about it and having some dialogues about it, and that's what we're going to do in this video. Before we get to that, I want to make sure you're aware that we have the Patreon group over here. This is my private group where you can join at different levels. The real value out here is at each level you get access to Discord, which is a community. This is a look at our Discord group where we've got a lot of people in here helping each other out. A community, that's really the word. We've also got some really good crypto pickers in here, people that pick great cryptos, and they're always dropping in a little kind of under the table, hey, here's a crypto I'm looking at, it might be poised to pop off and to go up. There's been some really good ones come through there, as well as through my inner circle level. You get access to my portfolio, what I'm looking at buying, what I'm holding, what I'm getting rid of. Also, I give you early access to cryptos that I am particularly looking at. So this is either early access to cryptos I don't ever talk about on YouTube, and or if I do talk about them, you get early access like by days before I mention it on YouTube, if I ever do. So there's some very, very good content over here. And again, you can join, check it out for a month if you want, and then you can cancel it anytime. So if that's something of interest to you, check that out. Okay, links below in the description. XRP right now is trading up 63 cents and change, 1%. Volume's up 23+%. Wanted to make this to your attention. I'm assuming you know this, but if you didn't, there was a huge $38.4 million dollars worth of XRP traded by Coinbase out. And basically, the long and the short of it is that XRP has pretty much been halted in trading here in the United States. It's hard to do. Like, you should be able to get it on a crypto app. It shows like a crypto.com app. Like, if you show it here on the market, it shows, at least it used to. Of course, it's not going to it now. Yeah, right here, crypto.com exchange. Well, I happen to have a crypto.com exchange. I can't buy it, right? It's not even showing up in my crypto app, which is really frustrating. And this has to do with all the SEC lawsuit and all that kind of stuff against Ripple and all that and everything. And I'm not going to get into that too much per se, all the politics and everything around this lawsuit and is it right or wrong and all that kind of stuff. I believe in this crypto. I believe in XRP. I believe that it is the business-to-business crypto. It is the de facto standard in that space. And I think that it is poised to do very, very well in the near future. Will XRP, it's not XRP, will Ripple win their SEC lawsuit? I have no idea. I don't know how that's going to go down. I know there's a tremendous amount of interest in this. And I get that. And it's one of those things where, it's hard really to talk about from the standpoint of like, is it a right or wrong, the SEC lawsuit and all that kind of stuff. And so how I look at it is that this is a great crypto, and I wish that I had easier access to buy it. And right now I don't. I've actually bought and sold it in the past, ironically, but I really would like to buy it now, and it's just kind of a pain in the butt to buy because of all of the halting of the trading and things like that. And so with that said, the overall the chart is interesting and has kind of been moving a little bit in the context of kind of the overall market, although we've got this pretty nice run that happened here, which was like from July 11th and 12th, and then we had a little bit of a sell-off, a little bit of a sell-off there that happened here, right? And so, is this a direct correlation to kind of market conditions? I think so. I think that there could have been a piece of information that kind of moved it downward. Although I've looked kind of specifically for that, and the only real thing that was kind of worth mentioning in the last 24 hours was this Coinbase transfer alert where they transferred 38.4 million, which was 62 million tokens out. And there's also some discussion: can XRP and Polkadot rise faster than Bitcoin? And I've read this article. It was very interesting in the context that XRP did have some downward pressure on it right there. We've already looked at that, right? It was right here where it gave up about 9 or 10%. Okay, but it looks like it is got some bullish. It is turning bullish as bears are weakening, taking into account the falling trading volume. No, volume is up. So this is probably what, from a day or so ago, 712. No, this is today, 503. Okay, so falling selling trading volume. If bulls keep XRP above 60 cents, the nearest resistance at 70 cents might be attained shortly. Yeah, that makes sense. Probably our next level of let's see where we got here. What do we got here? Let me do this real quickly. So this level, yeah, is 63. And what's this level right here? Yeah, see, like that we hit. So we hit 65. We haven't hit. Let's see. I'm looking right here. 60. This is back around July 6th. We were up in the high 60s, and then we've kind of been just kind of meandering here. There's your word of the day, meandering. Been kind of moving around up and down, a little bit of volatility. Frankly, doesn't really surprise me because of the overall market conditions. Overall market conditions have been not great as of late. I've talked about that in all of my videos, and I think that XRP has been kind of moving around with that. But it's funny. Look, it's ranked number 6 overall. And it's one of those coins. Again, I wish I could buy it. I probably could if I wanted to go get a different exchange, and I may very well do that. In fact, drop in the comments below. Let me know where you guys are buying XRP. Be curious to see that. Yeah, we could check that out. But the overall market is just not doing any darn thing right now. There's about 12 to 13,000 short selling positions right now against Bitcoin, and we'll kind of see how that continues to play out. If we can get some of that pressure off, I think that Bitcoin could continue to rise. It's going to be a crazy week for Bitcoin coming up as well. There's a lot of stuff coming out around that. I'm going to do a video on that, so keep an eye out for that. And I think that this situation is going to play out where we might see some rising. If we can get back up to that 70%, I don't really honestly see us moving. Where was that chart? I don't really see us getting back to that level until we get some pressure off of Bitcoin, and when then XRP can kind of rise back up from there. And so, again, I wanted to talk about this particular crypto. I think that this is an important crypto to cover. I think it needs coverage. I am frustrated, as I'm sure you are. I am frustrated by the fact that it is not available on some of the exchanges that it should be, and it says that it is. That's directly related to the SEC lawsuit and trading being halted on this particular crypto, which is, needless to say, frustrating. And because I would love to own it, and I'm very possibly going to look at going out and getting a different exchange, and and maybe picking some up, which it's frustrating. I already have like a couple of them, so we'll see how this plays out. But again, I am a fan of XRP. I've liked them. I've owned them in the past. I do not own any right now because of everything I've just said recently. And the 7-day chart, it looks like we're definitely kind of on a little bit of a downward trend here, but this doesn't really surprise me. This particular region right here doesn't really surprise me at all. Okay. Because I have fully expect it to kind of continue to trend down a little bit as it relates to the overall market conditions. So we'll see how the rest of it plays out. Again, thank you for your support of me, my channel, my videos. I genuinely, truly appreciate it, and I'll see you down the road. Take it easy. Bye.